In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can stop TikTok from playing in the background. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. So to stop TikTok from playing in the background, you don't do any sort of settings from within your TikTok app itself. What you have to do is you have to go out of the TikTok app. And then what you want to do is you want to find the settings app on your phone. Once you're on the main page of your settings, just scroll down until you find apps. There's apps. You want to tap onto apps, and then you can either scroll to find the TikTok app, or you can just make use of the search bar and just type in TikTok, and there you'll find TikTok. Just tap onto TikTok, and what you need to do now is scroll down, and there you'll be able to see battery. Okay, what you need to do now is select battery, and what you need to do is select it to restricted mode. Okay, once you have set your battery setting to restricted, TikTok will no longer play in the background. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.